Hi students, this is oxidation number method given in textbook. Okay, this is very important and these are 1983 IIT questions we are going to solve. Oxidation number method is first make sure that in this side and in this side whatever the atom you are comparing that is with what to say balanced. Two chromiums are there, here only one chromium, so multiply this with 2. Okay, now see here it is plus 6 oxidation state and here this is plus 3 oxidation state. Okay, this is 2 chromiums are there, so 2 into plus 6, here 2 chromiums are there, 2 into plus 3, it will result plus 6 and it will result plus 12. So find the difference. 12 minus 6, 6. Okay, and here in this side, here carbon oxidation state is minus 1. Okay, 2 carbons are there, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. And here 2 carbons are there, here oxidation state is 0, so 2 into 0, 0. Now what is the change? Minus 2, minus 0, minus 2 only, so put 2. Okay, now see, for this reaction difference is 2 and for this reaction difference is 6. So multiply the difference with other reaction. Here for this reaction 2 is the difference, right? First take the small ratio, 2 ones, 2 threes. Okay, 1, 3. For this 1 is the difference. So multiply that 1 with this reaction. Okay, 1 into Cr2O7 minus 2 plus for this reaction 3, right? So multiply 3 with this reaction. So 3 into 2, 6. Okay, 3 into C2H4O, 3C2H4O2 plus 1 into Cr plus 3. I mean 1 into 2. Okay. Now here how many oxygens are here? 7 and here 3. So totally 10 are there, right? And here 3 to 6. Here 10 oxygens, here 6 oxygens. How many less we have? 4 oxygens here left. So add 4 oxygens in the form of water molecule. Okay, 4H2O. How many hydrogens are here? 8 hydrogens are here. So add 8 H plus ions here. See here in this also hydrogens is there. So calculate both. 3 fours 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 3 fours 12. 12 here 12, here 20. So how many hydrogens left here? 8. So plus 8 H plus. That's it. This is the balanced reaction. Suppose if it is in basic medium, here 8 H plus, right? Add 8 OH minus. Both sides. Okay. This is that example. See, this I am going to solve. This one, this is do it yourself. This is in acidic medium. Okay. Zinc plus 2. Same number of zinc, right? See here, zinc plus 2. What is the change in oxygen? Here plus 2 is there. Here 0 is there. So 0 to 0 minus 2. It means minus 2. So 2. Here nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5. Here plus 4 minus 3. Here minus 3. Minus 3. Here plus 5. Okay. Here plus 5. Here minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3. Total 8. 8 is the difference, right? So take the small ratio. 2 ones, 2 fours. So this is 1 and this is 4, right? So for this reaction 1 and for this reaction 4. Multiply with opposite difference. 1 with the 1 4. So for this reaction 1, right? So multiply that 1 to this reaction. 1 into NO3 minus plus in this reaction 1. So multiply 4 to this reaction. 4 zinc will give 4 zinc plus 2 plus NH4 plus. Now See whether atoms are balanced or not. 4 zincs, and nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen. Okay. Now look at oxygen. See, while you are looking at the looking to balance this, ignore oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. See here 3 oxygens are there, and here no 0 oxygens are there. So add 3 moles of water molecule. Okay. How many hydrogens are here? 6 plus 4, 10 hydrogens are there here. So here add 10 moles of H plus ions. That's it. This reaction is completed because nitrate ion, it is in acidic medium. Okay. This I want to give it as a do it yourself question. Okay, DIY. Do it yourself question. Very easy. Acidic medium. 0. This is -1, 0, -1, and this is 0. So what is the, see, first you have to balance this. Be careful. First balance, then calculate oxidation, and next take the difference and multiply that reaction with opposite reaction difference. Okay. This is in basic medium. What this is basic medium plus this is disproportionation reaction. See how I calculate it. This is first calculate whether you have same number of chlorines. 2 chlorines are there here, 1. So multiply this with number 2. Okay. मुझे क्या पता. See here 2 chlorines are there and here 2 chlorines. Okay, balance. Here 0 and here -1. So -1 into 2, -2. What is the difference? 2. And see here 0 is multiply this with 2, and this is, what is the oxidation state here for chlorine in ClO minus? X minus 2 is equal to -1, then X is +1. So +1 into 2, it will become +2. What is the difference? 2. So take the common ratio 1. So multiply this. Cl2, 2Cl minus. Next. Cl2 plus 2ClO minus. Nice, right? Now add water molecules. 2 oxygens are here. So here add 2 moles of water molecules. 4 hydrogens are here. So add 4 H plus ions. Now this is basic medium. Whenever you see H plus ions, add that much number of OH minus ions both sides. 4 OH minus. Here also 4 OH minus. This is all reaction side. Okay. Here I will write 2 moles of Cl2 plus 2 moles of water molecules, and this is 4 moles of OH minus. 4 moles of OH minus plus 2 moles of water molecules will give 2 moles of Cl minus plus 2 moles of ClO minus plus 4 moles of H plus 4 moles of OH minus 4 moles of H2O. Now here 2, here 4, then it will become 2, right? This will come this side, then it will become 4H2O minus 2H2O. That's it. We have done the IIT questions. See, this concept is given in textbook. So follow textbook sincerely. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. This is tricks in JEE and NEET channel. This you should do yourself. Okay. And do these reactions also. These 2 reactions also in your textbook. Okay. And the answer to this is this one. Don't see this, first solve and then check. For next reaction is, question is given like this. You have to form the question. Okay. You have to see. Here it is. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.